How to add photo in Canva Resume. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up Canva application. Now tap on the plus icon and click on Resume. Now scroll right at the bottom. Now scroll right at the bottom part. You can choose any templates. Now select the photo. Now select the photo. Tap on three dots. Scroll to the right and tap on delete. Now click on uploads. Tap on images. You can also click on upload files to now now you can also upload files. Now you can also click on upload files to upload your photo. Now select your photo. Now adjust the photo on your resume. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.